Welcome to a new hands-on video in our series, Learn Electricity from Zero to Pro. Today we'll learn how to use a very important tool for any electrician or hobbyist, the multimeter or avometer. We'll focus on two key functions, measuring voltage and measuring current. A multimeter is a multifunction measuring device. It can measure voltage, AC and DC, current, AC and DC, resistance, continuity, and more. Today we'll use it to measure only voltage and current in a simple and safe way. You will need a 9-volt battery, or a basic circuit, a multimeter, 2 test leads, red and black, a small load like a lamp or resistor. Let's measure voltage. To measure voltage accurately, follow these steps. Set the dial to V or DC voltage. Plug the black lead into COM, red lead into V-ohm milliampere. Touch the battery terminals, black to negative and red to positive. You will see the voltage reading, for example, 9.1 volt. Note, you do not need to open the circuit to measure voltage. Just touch the two ends. Now we will measure current. To measure current accurately, follow these steps. Set the dial to A or milliamp for DC current. Black lead stays in COM, red lead goes into 10 amp or milliamp depending on expected current. This time you must break the wire and insert the multimeter into the circuit, because current is measured inside the flow. If connected properly, you'll see the current, for example, 0.25 amp. Warning, never measure high current using the wrong port. It may damage the device. Now you know how to safely and easily use a multimeter to measure voltage and current. In the next video, we'll learn about series and parallel circuits and test them practically. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell. See you soon.